Good morning. We are going to continue building blocks today. The best way for you to be able to learn this at a good pace is the first time I'm going to have you just watch the video. So when you're watching the video, you're going to put your computer at 30 degrees. Your fingers are not going to be doing it as I do it the first time. And then after you watch the video fully, the first time, then we're going to rewind it, and Mrs. Rupp will pause it after each step. So everybody in the class should be at the same point every time we do a pause before we go on to the next step. Although this first block, which is the cylinder, is really only a two-step process, it's a pretty easy one to make. After that, we're going to do the semicircle and hopefully the triangle, and those ones can be a little bit tricky. So that's the best way to for you guys to do it. So each time you start a new block, watch the whole video first, and then we'll go back and you can pause it after each step. So I'm going to go into a new part. Since we're making the cylinder, the base of a cylinder is a circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this flat plane. It's the XZ plane, and I'm going to grab the circle tool. I'm going to bring my mouse so that the cursor is right on the origin where the X and Y axis meet, and I'm going to click once. The dimensions for the circle, the diameter is going to be 1, surprise, surprise, and so you can just click 1, enter, and then I'm going to finish the sketch. We're going to extrude the sketch by a distance of 1, so that's the default distance. I'm going to hit OK and click my home button, and there's my cylinder. You can change the color of it if you'd like to, and then I am going to go ahead and save this. When you save it, remember, click on computer and find your drive. Click on your drive. You're going to name this cylinder, so cylinder is spelled with a C, and go ahead and save it, and then you can get started making this one right now.